What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix your iPhone speaker volume is too low, or you're having the trouble with the speaker, it's not hearing, or the sound is having an issue, and how we can fix this. So let me directly get into this step. First, go over here in the settings, and right now from here scroll down and navigate to sound and haptics. Now from here, the first and foremost step, make sure change with buttons is turned off. That's an important one. And also make sure the ringtone and alert is set to maximum. So if it is set into lower, you'll not be hearing. So make sure that it's set into this to maximum. That's what we have to try as the first and foremost step. And right now, apart from listening to this, if you're having the trouble with while using any kind of app, if the sound is very low, if that is the case, all you have to do is just go over here in the control center and make sure this volume is set into maximum. So right now, when you set it to maximum, so it is not on ringtone, but if you're going to use any particular app, for example, Instagram, and the volume is very low, if that is the case, just make sure that it's set into maximum as well. So once after trying with the state, if you have the trouble, there might be only one reason, which is called, your speakers might be filled up with a lot of dirts. So over here, so we have speakers over here at the bottom, and also we have the speaker heads here at the top as well. So what we need to do is we just remove the dirts. So what I'm recommending is use a soft brush. You can use a soft brush, and it should not be wet, it should be dry. Use the soft brush over here and use like this and remove, and just use like this over here for the both speakers at the bottom, and similarly you have to do at the top as well, so that the dirts, any kind of things will be completely removed, and afterwards you'll not be having the trouble. And this is what we have to try. So these are the basic steps, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.